Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you this quick and easy breakfast or lunch, or you can call it brunch recipe. So if you want to see how I make this, please keep on watching. This is Bernice. You're welcome to Bernice Kitchen. So in my bowl I have 3 eggs. I'm going to beat that with my fork. And in my plate I have diced capsicums, the red, green and yellow, and I also have some diced onions. So I'm going to add that to the egg, and I'll go in to add some seasoning, salt and pepper, and I'll give that a good mix. Here I have 4 slices of bread. I will just go in with my small knife and I'll just cut out the middle just like so, and I'll put the middle one side and I'll keep the back, or the back of the bread one side. So that's what we'll be using for this recipe. And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I said you are very much welcome. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to get notified once I upload a new video. Okay, and please like this video, leave your comments, as definitely I'm going to reply you. And if there's anything you want me to share with you, or there's any recipe you'd like me to share, please don't hesitate to let me know. All right, thank you very much. My clean frying pan, I've gone ahead to melt a tablespoon of butter and put the back of the bread, and I'll go ahead to add the egg and the capsicum mix. Please note, we are cooking this on a very low heat because butter easily get burnt, so we don't want this to get burnt. So we are cooking this on a very low heat and for this to cook thoroughly. Then I'll go ahead to add my shredded cheese and cheese slice. This is optional. You can just add the shredded cheese or the cheese slice, whichever one is okay for you. And the middle part of the bread, which I cut out earlier on, and I'll gently give this a press and allow to cook for 2 minutes on one side before going ahead to flip it to the other side. And after flipping it, I'll cover with a lid and cook for 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted, because we don't want to eat raw cheese, right? Yeah. And now this first method, or the first batch, is ready, and I'm going to dish that out and we'll go in for the second method. So for the second method, I'll repeat exactly the same thing I did for the first method. I'll just melt the butter, put in the bread back, then still go ahead to pour the egg mixture. But this time around, I am not going to add in any cheese. Okay, yes, we are just going to use the egg in this one as the binder, but we have to be very careful while doing this so that it's not just going to scatter. So this method is for those that don't like or eat cheese. So if you don't like or eat cheese, this method is for you. Okay. Yeah, this method is for you. So for someone like me, I'm just learning how to eat cheese. I don't know why but I don't know why I just don't like cheese right from childhood growing up. So I don't just like cheese, but yeah, so this method is for you, for someone like me. So the same thing applies to what happened in the first one, but this one is not going to take long because there's no cheese in this one. So I will just go on and continue patting this into the pan like the back, and I will just cook this for like 2 minutes or so until the egg is well cooked. But if you like your egg half cooked, yeah, that's okay. So I'll just flip this over so you see the side, and yes, this is perfectly cooked. The bread has even toasted, and this is how I like it. So I'll just take this out, and voila, our bread omelette is ready. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not hesitate to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next video. I love you all, and please stay safe. Bye.